If you want to hide the visibility outline on the focused object in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple accessibility setting, but it can be really useful if that bright focus outline is distracting while you browse, watch videos, or work on web pages. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips and tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge settings menu. From there, go down and click on Settings. That will take you into the full browser settings page. Now, on the left side, find and click Accessibility. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps options related to readability, focus, visual assistance, and other accessibility features. Once you're inside the accessibility section, look for the setting that says Show a high visibility outline on the focused object. By default, this option may be turned on. To hide the outline, simply toggle it off. As soon as you switch it off, Edge will stop showing that bright focus border around selected or focused items on the page. This can make the browsing experience feel cleaner and less distracting, especially if you don't need that visual highlight. And that's really all there is to it. You've now hidden the visibility outline on the focused object in Microsoft Edge. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just return to the same accessibility settings and switch the option back on. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.